This is how we drive mass communication. I'm again with another video. I'm again for you guys another trouser, lovely looking loose new fashionable trouser. Let's see the pant, guys. This trouser Incerunmen, the branding here, the information is written, the size of UK, United Kingdom, grey the color, XL the size. Incerunmen here written. I'm gonna take this off the zipper, lovely zipper pack, this one. Let's see, I have a pair for you guys. This one you can see here how it is, one in gray color, another is in blue color. This is now in fashion, something loose you can see, and you can use this type of trouser, something as this from this type of t-shirt. How it is, the loose, this is a fashion you can use with some big shoes, better on down, lovely, beautiful. You can see how it is. The big zipper here, if I take this off, you can put something big inside, but this is more for fashion. Big pocket, you can see it's a big pocket here. Lovely, beautiful. It's loose, something casual, something different, something fresh. You can see how it is. You can use this type of t-shirt. Looks as Jeff Hardy, Matt Hardy from WWE. Let me show you the other color. This is in blue. You see how it is, something fresh, something different, totally different. You can see normally I use black, but totally different color, different look. If you want to do some chain, lovely looking t-shirt. Guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you want to check similar product or different type of jeans or t-shirt or jacket or boots, check the video description. See you then, take care, thank you, bye bye.